Here in FLC, not only pupil is stuffed with the educational content, but physical, social, emotional, religious, aesthetic development is also taken into consideration. All the above mentioned topics can be covered by reading one single book, and that is the Bhagavad Gita. Gita adoration is not accomplished by a mere ritualistic worship of the textbook. The divine song is a textbook discussing a way of living to be lived and experienced. It is described that the 18 chapters of the divine song discuss the immortal goal of oneness, which is the theme of the Vedanta, the Upanishads. Gita is addressed and approached as a mother, and this is to be understood as very significant. The Gita Mother, the divine bomb that gave birth to the universal religion, is the one to whom the children of any age can always confidently turn, expecting but total forgiveness and complete love, even after they have committed a million outrageous acts. Similarly, here the Gita, the textbook of life, is approached as our mother because she never gives up anybody as completely lost, and everyone who lovingly approaches her courtyard calling out Ma 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 can be sure that she will accept him in spite of all the past crimes and mischiefs. Lord Krishna, who is tree of fulfillment to all those who totally surrender to him, who has milked the Gita nectar, the holder of Janam Mudra, the wielder of the cane in one hand with which he derives the herd of cattle under his protection. He is the divine charioteer giving his discourses upon life and the right values of living by which the consummate aim of self-discovery can be gained by Arjuna, a typical seeker of his age. So, Bhagavad Gita teaches us surrender, devotion, religion, truthfulness, and love. The qualities developed by human being after reading Gita is intellect, knowledge, clarity of thoughts, forgiveness, truthfulness, control over senses and mind, contentment, faith, etc. Read Bhagavad Gita whenever you feel confused, as Lord recited Gita to Arjuna when he was in dilemma to fight or not and confused. Every time we read Gita, it gives us different answers according to our current situations. It teaches us new lessons, so make Gita the source of learning. Here, I am going to cover all the 18 chapters of Gita verse-wise, clubbing the best of two books by two writers, that is His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta, Swami Sri Leela Prabhupada and Swami Chinmayananda. Hope you all will enjoy the journey of learning with me on my YouTube channel, Bhagavad Gita by Wendy. I have composed Gita playlist into three parts. One is the Bhagavad Gita in English, the Bhagavad Gita in English and its translation in Hindi, and Bhagavad Gita only in Hindi with pictures Those pictures will depict what I am speaking, and I have also related those pictures which Lord recited with the current scenario, the currently according to the current situations going on in our daily lives. So do watch all that. I have also mentioned my Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest IDs for the YouTube shorts on Bhagavad Gita, and the Bhagavatam that I have covered few months back. Here is the website link you can go through so that you can read in it in a chronological order. And I have also posted my YouTube links to my WhatsApp channel. So go and watch it. And I really hope you will like it, and I expect a feedback from you very soon.